Question: What is the process of sending electronic messages directly between individuals typically used a service like Gmail called? Options: Option A, email. Option B, blog comment. Option C, social media post. Option D, text message. Question: Which birds can fly backward? Options: Option A, eagles. Option B, hummingbirds. Option C, owls. Option D, seagulls. Question: In which country is Machu Picchu located? Options: Option A, New Zealand. Option B, Peru. Option C, South Africa. Option D, Australia. Answer in comments.